Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Kane Auto Sales in Manchester, New Hampshire, we have this basically brand new 2019 BMW 330i xDrive. This one only has, I think, as of filming, oh, here we go. What does it say? I think it's like 310 miles on it. Something really, really low. Of course, one owner. Absolutely gorgeous car. Dual exhaust. It's just an overall very gorgeous spec, very gorgeous car. All right, inside, sunroof, original window sticker, of course. This one has convenience pack, driver's assistance, parking assistance, premium pack. So a total price when new of $53,020. Pretty cool. All right. Backup assistant. So it will take how you got into this spot, take the tracing that you did. So how you drove into that spot is how it's gonna get itself out. So I'm not touching any of the pedals or anything like that. I'm obviously not touching the steering wheel. So let me reduce the speed. End of route. And then it will say, all right, I can't remember anymore. Take over. But that got me out of the spot. So that's all I needed it to do. Driving in sport mode with the sport displays on. So this is obviously a sports sedan, but more luxury than sport. This is, you know, when you see lease specials on BMW's website for brand new cars, this is what that is. This is your most common 3 Series. So it's pretty cool to drive it, especially in as new condition, to really see what the average 3 Series is like. The answer is pretty darn good. This 2-liter 4-cylinder provides a ton of power. I'm gonna give us a little bit of a gap. Very impressive. Okay. Is extremely comfortable to just sit here. Materials are pretty decent, especially for the price point. What are they asking? 30? It looks like 38. for a brand new 3 Series. It's pretty impressive. Honestly, I don't know the story of why this only has like 300 miles on it. No idea. But it's here. It's all that matters to me. You will get some crackles here and there, not like the M340i, but good enough to make me happy. Love it. That is really impressive. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.